In a single evening, a wealthy family of 4 walked onto the Rajamundry Bridge in Andhra Pradesh and stepped together into the Godavari River. Saujanya and both of her parents drowned in the current. Her young son survived by treading water in the darkness until local rescuers were able to reach him. On the surface, this was a successful, affluent family with no obvious reason to abandon their lives. It raises a difficult question. What kind of pressure could be so intense that a family would choose to sacrifice everything they owned and then their own lives? The police investigation eventually traced the cause back to a digital trap known as sextortion. Many families are raised to believe that their entire worth is tied to maintaining a perfect public image. This focus on perfection often leaves people unequipped to handle a public mistake or the threat of an exposed secret. Without the tools to navigate a social crisis, the fear of public shame can make an internet-based threat feel like a death sentence. Sextortion begins when a perpetrator captures an intimate moment, perhaps a secretly recorded video or a saved chat, using it as a tool for control. In Saujanya's case, the perpetrator, Sadiq Khan, began a cycle of constant demands. He told Saujanya that if she didn't pay him, he would release intimate media to her family and her social circle. For months, Saujanya and her parents tried to buy his silence. They handed over their cash, their jewelry, and eventually their real estate, watching their entire family fortune disappear into the hands of an extortionist. The strength of this trap relies on the victim's dread of societal judgment, the crushing weight of "what will people say?" By paying to protect their reputation, they valued public perception over survival. This signaled that his leverage was absolute, encouraging escalating demands. Digital extortion relies entirely on this psychological vulnerability. The actual media has no power unless the victim believes that their life cannot survive its release. The family eventually reached a breaking point. Their wealth was gone, and they realized that no amount of money would ever satisfy the extortionist's demands. They looked at the impending release of the photos and the judgment that would follow, and decided suicide was their only remaining escape. The choice to protect their privacy through silence ended up projecting their names and the details of their crisis onto every major news outlet in the country. Today, the public is discussing the very details the family died to suppress, completing the social humiliation they sacrificed their lives to prevent. Attempting to hide a crisis in the dark often guarantees the exact outcome the victim is trying to avoid. Breaking this cycle requires us to understand how to neutralize an extortionist's power before the trap closes. This begins with a simple admission. Every person judging from the sidelines carries their own set of flaws and failures. If the private lives and hidden mistakes of the general public were suddenly made public, the people standing in judgment would be revealed as just as imperfect as the victims they condemn. This timeline represents the second innings. While a public failure or an exposed secret causes a massive drop in the short term, the path of a person's life continues well past that point. Historical figures like King David demonstrate this. His most significant moral failures were broadcast to his entire kingdom. He didn't end his life, he endured the public shame and used that experience to build a life of repentance and wisdom. Stopping these crimes starts in the home. A reputation needs to raise children who understands that a mistake, even a public one, does not make them fundamentally broken. When children fear their parents' judgment more than they fear a criminal, they become isolated. This silence is exactly what an online predator needs to maintain control. Communities must become safe harbors where a victim can go for legal help and emotional support without the fear of being condemned. A reputation has value, but a human life is worth infinitely more. No photo and no secret is worth dying for.